My pet bird is trying different menu. He already ate his bird food already, but now he gonna try to eat these worms. I don't know what kind of strategy he's doing. He got his own strategy. It's the first time he tried this menu. It's gonna take him a long time. He tried to eat it. Eat it, boy. Eat it. Go for it. Just eat it. So I'm watching him trying to eat it. I don't know if he's gonna eat it or not. But he gonna play with it first. Keep playing with it, boy. Eat it if you can. Don't be scared. Just eat it. That's your favorite food. Eat it. Don't play with your food. Just eat it. Eat it now. You gonna keep playing with it? I don't know what he's trying to do. Maybe he's trying to kill it first before he eat it. Keep peeking on it, pecking on it. Eat it, boy. Eat it now. I don't got forever watching you try to eat that thing. Just eat it. Just eat it and get it over with. You try to eat one, it take you that long? Eat it. Stop playing with it. Just eat it now. Try to eat it. Swallow it. Eat it and then swallow it. Don't be scared. Just eat it. There you go. No, not yet. He spit it back out. Eat it, boy. You take you that long try to eat that thing? Eat it. Stop playing with it. Eat it now. Is it that hard to try to eat it? Eat it. There you go. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. Now you happy? Is it good? It's good. It's good, right? How good is it? Is that your steak or what? Good job.